Dasharatha was very worried. Then what happened? Vasishthadev was there. Vasishthadev was Kula Guru of Raghukul. Raghukul is the, what do we say? It is the, um, parampara. That means their lineage is the Raghukul. That is called lineage. So it has got some customs in it. Vasishthadev was Guru of Raghukul. Of that lineage system, Vasishthadev was Guru. So Vasishthadev came to rescue of Dasharatha, because Dasharatha was, trembling in fear. Vishwamitra sage came and asked for Lord Ram, and he was in dilemma. Now he cannot refuse Vishwamitra, because Vishwamitra is very powerful. If he becomes angry and gives a, you should be destroyed, so everything will be destroyed. His power is very powerful. So what he could not understand what to do. Then Vasishthadev came to rescue and said that, Dasharath, you don't be afraid. You call Sri Ram. Call him to us. Then Dasharath narrated that my son is very young and I don't know. He went for pilgrimage. Therefrom, when he came, actually, he is always in sad mood. I don't know what to do. He narrated every appearance, what he saw. Then Vasishthadev and Vishwamitra, both of them said that, you please call him. By hearing from you the status of Sri Ram, we could easily understand, interpret that it is not a very simple sadness. He never actually fall in some love. No, because when people meet some woman and like that, and he cannot achieve that woman, they fall in sad mood. It is not like that. During that time, kings usually fall in love with different women. So no, he's not in that kind of fellow, that kind of boy. You please call him. It is different thing. So then they all summoned Sri Ram in the king's court. In the palace, in the king's court, they summoned Ram. Ram came. And he just paid all his respects, reverences to all the elderly people, to his father, to his mother, to all the sages who were there, Vasishthadev, Vishwamitra. And then Vishwamitra and Vasishthadev, they asked, why Sri Ram, what happened to you actually? Why you are sad? Then Ram said, see, why I am sad? I saw this world is very temporary thing. People here come, struggle for achievement of many things, but they do not achieve anything and then die. Whatever they do, it is left behind. They cannot even enjoy it. So for what I shall do? I shall work, because people here, like Buddha, during the Buddha's time, Buddha, my accent may be different. Buddha is what? Buddha saw a dead body. Buddha saw a very old man. Buddha saw a patient with a very sick man. So these three things actually changed total life of Buddha. He was Siddhartha then. Then these three things actually inspired him to reach to Buddhatva. In the same way, in the Ram's case, Sri Ram's case, he saw the temporary thing in this world. Nothing is permanent. So he was full of, vairagya, detachment from this. He never liked this world anymore. And he wanted peace of mind. Peace of mind. We all want this now. We all want this. We do not know how to achieve it. Here in Yoga Vasishtha Ramayana, Vasishthadev slowly actually elevated Sri Ram's mind to such a place that he actually realized his own self in this self.